matter, and its properties. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter. Matter is anything that is mass and takes up space. An atom is the smallest unit of an element that maintains the chemical identity of that element. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler, stable substances and is made of one type of atom. A compound is a substance that can be broken down into simple, stable substances. Each compound is made from the atoms of two or more elements that are chemically bonded. All substances have characteristic properties. Extensive properties are properties that depend on the amount of matter that is present. Intensive properties, however, are properties that do not depend on the amount of matter that is present. Examples of extensive properties include mass, volume, and the amount of energy in a substance. Examples of intensive properties include melting point, boiling point, and density. A physical property is a characteristic that can be observed or measured without changing the identity of the substance. A physical change is a change in a substance that does not involve a change in the identity of the substance. These changes include grinding, cutting, melting, and boiling. A change of state is a physical change of a substance from one state to another. Three common states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. A solid has definite volume and shape. A liquid has a definite volume but an indefinite shape. A gas has neither definite volume nor definite shape. The fourth state of matter, plasma, is a physical state of matter in which atoms lose most of their electrons. A chemical property refers to a substance's ability to undergo changes that transform it into different substances. A chemical change, more commonly known as a chemical reaction, is a change in which one or more substances are converted into different substances. The substances that react in a chemical reaction are the reactants, and the substances that are formed by the chemical reaction are the products. The law of conservation of energy, which explains the role of energy in chemical reactions, states that energy is neither created nor destroyed during chemical reactions. The classification of matter goes as follows. If the sample cannot be separated, it is a pure substance. A pure substance has a fixed composition. Every sample of a given pure substance has exactly the same characteristic properties. Every sample of a pure substance has exactly the same composition. If the pure substance cannot be decomposed by ordinary chemical means, then it is an element. If it can be, then it is a compound. However, if the sample can be separated, then it is a mixture. A mixture is a blend of two or more kinds of matter, each of which retains its own identity and properties. If the mixture is uniform in composition, then it is a homogeneous mixture, also known as a solution. If the mixture is not uniform, then it is a heterogeneous mixture.